Right then, hopefully now, we're going to have a bit of flying. So he is fast and he is low level. Very aerodynamic, very long, narrow pointed wings for cutting through the sky then. So the Falcons are thought to have the best eyesight out of all living creatures. I reckon his eyesight is about 600 times. That's a bit close. 600 times. You can see a pigeon on a contrasting background up to about a mile away. And say also, same as the hawk, his movement. Don't you dare! Hey! His movement that they see more than anything else must be quite low. Right then, so we're going to give him a couple more chases then of this lure. Then we're going to let him catch it. So I'm going to shout to that command again, and he'll come in. He'll either catch this leather pad, or he'll strike it, knock it out of the sky, and then he'll come back down to finish it off afterwards then. So, one more chase, then we'll let him catch it then. So, low level attack again. Cutting the grass over there. Here he comes. Right, this time then. So let him go out. Ho! Turn straight away. Voila, and that's how they catch their prey. Punch it, and then come back down afterwards. Good.